Welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium video. I feel that snowdrops are past and we've done them, and you know what comes next? For me, it's always bluebells. So today I wanted to look at this wonderful bluebell piece that I've been making. So I've got a base layer of glass here and I've cut these, and I've cut little pieces so that, because we're doing a full fuse, so these are going to go out the other side. And now I've got a second circle cut super badly, and it doesn't really matter because I'm full fusing it. And what I need to do is just sort of mark out where I need to cut out for these. But I'm going to cut like the hole down, and then that bit, and then like this bit, and then this bit, and then this bit. So I'll cut all of this and then hopefully fit the whole thing together. I'm missing this last one. It's like this. So now I can sort of freehand cut this, and then I'll put the whole thing together on a kiln shelf. I'm going to decorate the bottom with a bit of powder, decorate the top and put a little bit of frit, and then full fuse it. So here it is, ready to go in the kiln, and we can see how it looks when it comes out. Here we are opening the kiln. When I put it in the kiln, I put some little bits of fibre paper in our Lampwork flowers. This stops them collapsing and keeps them open and beautiful. You might want to do this too. All you need to do afterwards is to use some tweezers or another pointy item to help vacuum out the fibre paper from the flowers. Just be careful to wear a mask so that you don't hurt your lungs, as this product is not great after it's fired. So here it is out of the kiln and looking fabulous. I'm so pleased how this piece came out. It all looks brilliant and the bluebells look amazing. You can get our Lampwork flowers on our website and you can choose whichever colour you want for them. You just need to put a comment in checkout. I went with cobalt blue to match the Bluebell Murrine, But let's say you wanted some red or any other colour lampwork flowers, we can do those for you in whatever bullseye or oceanside glass you want, as long as we have it available here. I really love this piece. We now have the Bluebell Murrine available on our website in 96 oceanside glass, so please go and check that out right now and make a wonderful Bluebell piece of your own. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy fusing.